Alright, you can see a nice frame here. It's just a complete wooden frame and a solid piece of wood. You can see I just put a acrylic color on top of it. Now we're going to draw a nice landscape. So this is going to be the horizon, and we're going to draw a straight line in the middle of the canvas. Let's start the drawing and doing the straight line here. Okay, from the left to the right side. So it's going on. And now I'm going to draw the few mountains on the horizon. So we're going to do the top and just going to the bottom, just like a triangular surface. And you can see the dark area on the left side, and the brighter area would be on the right side. So the another mountain you can see here, and the same graphical outlines just going to be on the same side. Okay, all right, putting few strokes of the brush for the left wings. All right, now we're going to use the white color to mix up with the previous color and making it a brighter one. All right, just putting the strokes from the bottom to the top portion, taking the color little bit again. Okay, just putting the colors here for the mountain tops. You can see just putting few strokes from the tops. It's white because of the snow accumulation. You can see sometimes the snow is accumulated on tops of the mountains as a part of the natural phenomena. So that's going to be the drawing of a nice mountains. Okay, now you can see a green color at the bottom of the mountains. Going to draw a longer strokes like the pointy trees. You can see the top one is pointy and the bottom is just spread out to in several directions. Okay, so few trees you can see on the left side, and putting few dots like the greeneries at the bottom just to show the landscapes with the green shadings. Just putting few strokes here. Okay, and sometimes you can see the mountain streams is coming from a far distance, and it's getting visible nicely and widely as it comes nearer at us. So it's going to be like a curve. You can see the curve line. Okay, so in some places just line is running. So this is going to be a nicely visible because the canvas is the darker, so you need to add little bit white color to make the river stream visible. Okay, putting the white color in some places and just drawing the brushes from top to the bottom. You can see. Okay, need more white color. All right, so there's the river stream, you can see. Okay, so which is just flowing from the top of the mountains to the bottom here, because the canvas and the surface is little bit rough, so we need to do the details little bit here. And on the sides you're going to see that we have to put the variable green color to show the green field and the plain land in the bottom of the mountains foothills. So that's why we're putting little bit different colors. So there's the variations of the green, and it defines the landscapes. After we put all the colors, you can see the visual scenery is nicely completed as a part of the painting. Okay, and for the night sky we need to put some dots from the white color, show that the sky is full of stars. So lots of stars. Just if you want to put, just take the white color from the canvas and putting the dots like this, lots of dots here. Some are bigger, some are smaller, so the sizes may be the variable sizes. That's why just go along with this one. All right, and for the trees, just you can put little bit outlines and the graphics for the green trees here. Just to show the pointy trees in a nice combinations. Okay, and putting some uh, adding some white colors at the foothills of the mountains. Okay, also in this border we're just going to put some white outlines just to show the banks of the river, and putting the strokes to the sides just as a part of the nice visualizations. Okay, also on the right side you can see here. Okay, putting the visualizations. All right, so that's a nice landscape. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.